Self-Love. It's choreographed by Simon Ward. It is a 32 count, 2 wall, high intermediate, rolling 8 with 1 restart on wall 3 after the first 8 counts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about the steps needed to complete that restart, and then we're going to go around and dance 4 walls of the dance so that you can practice the restart and know how it flows so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn self-love. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your right foot with your left toe tucked behind your right. We're going to step back with our left, and as we step back, we're going to sweep our right from front to back. We're going to cross our right behind our left, and we're going to quickly make a quarter turn over our left shoulder, stepping forward with our left foot to face 9 o'clock. You're now going to make a half turn over your left shoulder, stepping back with your right and sweeping your left from front to back. You'll be now at 3 o'clock. You're going to cross your left behind your right, step your right foot to the right side. We're now going to cross our left over our right, and as we do that, we're going to hitch our right knee up and around, making an 1/8 of a turn over your left shoulder to face 130. We're now going to do a right shuffle forward with a rock. So we're going to step forward with our right, step our left next to our right, and then we're going to rock our right foot forward into the 130 diagonal. Let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your right foot, left toe touch behind. We're stepping and sweeping. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Section 2. We're going to recover back onto our left foot, still facing the 130 diagonal. We're now going to make a half turn over our right shoulder, stepping forward with our right foot to face the 730 diagonal. We're now going to step forward with our left, and as we step forward with our left, we're going to make a full turn over our right shoulder, sweeping our right foot around back to the front, and your body will be facing 730. We're now going to step forward with our right foot, and you're going to sweep your left from back to front. You'll still be facing the 730 diagonal. We're going to cross our left over our right. You're going to make an 1/8 of a turn over your left shoulder, stepping your right foot to the right side, squaring yourself up to 6 o'clock. You're now going to make an 1/8 of a turn over your left shoulder, stepping back with your left foot, and I want you to use this kind of as a rock so you can slightly lift that right foot off the ground. Your body is going to be facing, and your toe will be pointing to 430. We're now going to do 2 walks forward, step forward, right, step forward, left. We're going to do ball rock steps. So we're going to step forward with our right foot into the diagonal. You're going to take the ball of your left foot and you're going to rock onto it, stepping that ball behind your right, then recover down onto your right foot. We're now going to step back with our left, and you're going to take the ball of your right foot. We're going to rock it slightly back and recover onto that left foot. You'll still be facing 430, but you are going to be angling your body to the left when you do those steps. So you're going to go angle to the left, angle to the left, and you're going to use that angle to help you into the next section. So let's try that with some counts. We would have just stepped forward with our right foot into the 130 diagonal. Weight's completely on that right foot. We're recovering back on that left. 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and your body is still going to be angled to the left, but the 430 diagonal is where you're located. Section 3, we're going to make a half turn over our left shoulder. You're going to step your right foot forward, and you're going to make that half turn over your left shoulder, lifting that left foot up, pointed towards 1030. You're now going to step down on your left. We're going to make a half turn over our left shoulder, stepping back with our right foot, and then you're going to step back with your left and sweep your right from front to back. This is going to put you still into that 430 diagonal. We're now going to cross our right behind our left. You're going to make an 1/8 of a turn over your left shoulder, stepping your left foot to the left side, squaring yourself up to the 3 o'clock wall. We're now going to rock forward with our right foot, recover onto your left, and we're going to make a half turn over our right shoulder, stepping our right foot next to our left. We're now going to step forward with our left and hitch our right knee up. We're going to step back with our right and then back with our left. You'll be facing 9 o'clock. So let's try that with some counts. We just did our 7 and 8. Weights on that left foot. You're going to make that half turn with your kick. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, Section 4, we're going to make a quarter turn over our right shoulder, stepping our right foot to the right side. As we step our right foot to the right side, we're going to do sways, but you want them to be mostly your upper body. So your shoulders should be doing all the motion. So we're going to put our weight onto our right foot, and that right shoulder is going to follow, and you're going to sway that right shoulder to the right side. We're now going to put our weight onto our left, and you're going to sway your left shoulder to the left side. We're going to do that one more time to the right, swaying to the right. We're now going to make a quarter turn over our left shoulder, stepping down with our left foot to face 9 o'clock. We're going to make a half turn over our left shoulder, stepping back with our right foot to face 3 o'clock, and you're going to rock your left foot back and recover onto your right. We're now going to make a quarter turn over our right shoulder, stepping our left foot to the left side. We're going to take our right foot, cross it behind our left, and sweep your left from front to back. You're now going to take the ball of your left foot, rock it behind your right, and then recover onto your right foot, facing 6 o'clock, ready to start the dance all over again. So let's try that with some counts. We would have just stepped back with our left facing 9 o'clock. You're going to make that quarter turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 to start the dance all over again. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it one time through with steps and one time through with counts. Weight is on that right foot, left toe touch behind, step back and sweep, back sweep, behind quarter half sweep, behind side cross hitch, 8th turn, step together, rock forward, recover half full sweep, step sweep, cross 8/8 back, walk, walk, step, ball, step, back, ball, step, half rock, recover, half back sweep, behind 8 forward rock, recover, half step hitch, backside quarter shoulder sway, 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 quarter half rock back, recover, quarter back sweep, ball rock, recover, ready to start the dance all over again. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your right foot with your left toe touch behind. You're stepping back with that left and sweeping for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Ready to start the dance all over again. So now let's talk about the restart. The restart's going to happen on wall 3. You're going to dance through the first 8 counts of the dance, which is your shuffle into the 130 diagonal with your rock and your recover. We're going to dance up to that part, and then we have to change the steps a little bit so that we can restart facing 12 o'clock. But let's try it up to there. Weights on that right foot. We're starting with our back sweep, behind quarter half sweep, behind side cross 1/8 hitch, step together, rock forward, and then we're going to recover back onto that left foot. Right here is where we're going to change the steps slightly. Normally in the dance, we'd be making a half turn, but we want to restart the dance facing 12 o'clock. So we're going to step back slightly with our right foot. This should start returning you to the 12 o'clock wall. Right now, my body is somewhere between 1:30 and 12. To start the dance all over again, at this point, you're going to start from count 1, where you would step back with your left and sweep your right from front to back. That will continue your turn, and you will restart the dance facing 12 o'clock. That sweep and step will square you back up to 12, and you will dance the rest of the dance. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your right foot, left toe touch behind. We're going to dance that restart, and then we're going to go all the way around. So we're stepping back and sweeping. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. And you will start the dance all over again. So now let's go around. On the front walls, I'm going to do steps. Back walls, we're going to do counts. We're going to dance 4 walls of the dance so that you know how that restart happens and how it flows. So weight starting on that right foot, left toe touch behind your right. You're starting with your back sweep, behind quarter half sweep, behind side cross 1/8 hitch, step together rock, recover half full sweep, step sweep, cross 8/8 back rock, walk right, left, then it's step, ball rock, recover, back, ball rock, recover, half with a lift. Now you're going step, half, back sweep, behind 8 rock, recover, half step hitch, back, back, quarter shoulder sway, shoulder sway, shoulder sway, quarter half rock back, recover, quarter back sweep, ball rock, recover, step back, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, short wall, back sweep, behind quarter half sweep, behind side cross turning hitch, step together rock, recover back, restart to the front wall, back sweep, behind quarter half sweep, behind side cross turning hitch, step together rock, recover half full sweep, step sweep, cross 8/8 back, walk right, left, step, ball recover, back, ball recover, half lift, step, half back sweep, behind 8 rock, recover, half step hitch, back, back, quarter hip and shoulder sway, 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 quarter half rock back, recover, quarter back sweep, ball rock, recover, and then you would keep on dancing. Now let's talk about the ending. The end of the dance will be facing 6 o'clock. You're going to dance the full dance up until you would bring that left toe behind your right. All you're going to do is look over your shoulder to the front wall. So we'd be facing the back, you would do that sweep, bring that left toe behind. You're not going to do that ball rock, you're just gonna bring that left toe behind, and then you're gonna look over your shoulder to the 12 o'clock wall, and that is the ending. I hope this helps you learn self-love. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.